Okay, so first we'll position the patient properly. We'll ask him to sit nice and straight, feet flat on the floor, and pull up nice and close to the instrument. We want to make sure that the table is at a proper height where the forehead strap is about eye level. Now we'll ask the patient to turn their head slightly to the left and put their chin in the chin rest, forehead right against the forehead strap. We'll ask the patient with the right eye to look for the cross with the green background. Alright, so we're setting up to do an IOL right now. So the first thing we're going to do is bring the pupil on screen using the up, down, left, right arrow keys. Now I'm going to use the diagonal keys to bring the iris into a bit more focus. As soon as it looks good, we'll click pupil align and it'll center and track the pupil. Now I'm going to turn on retinal illumination. This is going to allow me to see the retina. Now we can see right here, this is a reflection caused by the interocular lens. So as soon as I know that this is an IOL patient, I'm going to click IOL mode. Now, using the diagonal keys, I'm going to clump the reflection into what looks like a tadpole. So we've got a circle with a tail there. Once I have that set up, I'm going to click working distance track, and it's going to lock in that forward and backwards position of the camera. Now using the left arrow key, I'm just going to keep tapping it, and I'm going to move the reflection temporally. Now that the reflection is off screen, I'm going to use the focus buttons as normal to bring the small vessels into focus. Touch off the macula, I'm going to click the ×2 button and really just find focus on those small vessels. So that looks great. So I'm going to go back out to ×1, and now we're ready to image. So I'm going to click, oh, you can see a little bit of reflection, so I'll click the left button twice, and I'll just click the image button. So now that we're acquiring the images, I'm just going to focus right on the center here and ensure that all of the images come out nice. So now that everything's acquired, I'm going to let the patient know that they can blink as much as they'd like, and I'm just going to single click on all the images to make sure that the alignment and focus is good. Everything looks great, so I'm going to click accept, and now we're ready to image the left eye.